Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem 669. So here, if you directly want to see the solution, then here it is the solution. If you have understand the problem, then you can you can easily understand the solution too. So if you didn't able to understand the problem or didn't read the problem, haven't read the problem till now, then the problem is that we have to basically trim a binary search tree. And how we will trim the binary search tree? First of all, we will see what is binary search tree. For a binary search tree, for a binary search tree, for a binary search tree, in a binary search tree, each and every node of a binary search tree, the left subtree will contain the values less than that particular node, and the right subtree will contain the values particular than particular greater than the particular node value. Okay, so this is our binary search tree. Left child will store all the lower lower values, and right child will store the higher values. Okay, it is true for each and every node. So okay, this is our binary search tree, and this particular question we have to trim the binary search tree. Trimming means that we have to delete or erase all the values uh, given the which are out of the given range, that is less than low or greater than high. Low and high both are included in the range because it is a close bound. Okay, so in this example we can see that 1 is in the range, 2 is also in the range, but 0 is out of the range. We will trim this, and this is our finals binary search tree. Okay, so we have to develop an algorithm for solving this. So what will be our algorithm? Our algorithm will before introducing to the algorithm, I will make a binary search tree. Somehow I have created a dummy binary search tree. You can see this uh, in the in our algorithm. We will trim a particular node. Before trimming, let's we want to trim this node. Before trimming this node, we will trim its left subtree and right subtree too. Okay, this is our key point in for developing the algorithm. Before trimming a particular node, we will treat its left subtree and right subtree. Okay, uh, for let's say our our algorithm start from here. We have given this pointer. We will use recursion. We have given this pointer this node to the recursion first. Then we will trim its right subtree and left subtree. You can see in the solution. Trimming a node, we are trimming its before trimming. This is how we are trimming it, and before trimming this, we are trimming its left subtree and right subtree. For let's we are starting from here. We will then for this from this instruction we will move to this. We are trimming this, and for this in this instruction we are again go to the left root for of that particular tree. that particular node, and we will trim this. Okay, sorry for the background noise if you are hearing this. I can't stop this, so okay, but we can learn this. Okay, solution. uh, where we are trimming this node. So again we have to go to the left node of that tree. We will trim this where our recursion will come here, and for that recursion we have left and right child, and we have to trim them both first. We will then trim this left child first, then we will see that its left and right both are null. Then when this function will run, recursion will run from here, uh, then for the subchild of that, for sub children of that particular node, the uh, that when this function will return the null value, because both are null, will do nothing, and we will then in this value. When our then our recursion will come here, then we will trim this value, and after trimming this value our recursion will come here, then we will trim this value. Before trimming this value we will trim its left value, then we will trim its right value, then we will trim its this particular node, then we will trim this node, and for before trimming this we will trim this node. Before trimming this node we will trim this node, and before this, and we will do this is our algorithm we will run. And how we will trim a particular node? If a node have a particular node have a like this, given in example, if a particular node have less value than this, then we know that its left and right child both are trimmed, then we will directly, if this value is less than the node, then we will know that all the values in the left subtree will also be less, and the right subtree which is trimmed also, we know that, then these values are in the range, so we'll directly connect the 3 to 2, and we will in this we can see that 3 is connected to 2 directly, and 4 is obviously out of the range, then this will be trimmed, and after that we will see that we can trim 3 or not, because 3 is in the range, so we will do not trim this. So if that particular value is greater than the range, that is for this question 1 2 3, if it is 4, then these values are in the right subtree, because it is a binary search tree, and and we know that this value will be greater than 4, then its left tree, then its right tree, right subtree will have only greater values than this, because it is the right tree will be trimmed first, then all the values will be